Good day, ma'am. I am Vicente Eljon Dumandan, a student of Vicente from third year, section is 3H. I am currently pursuing this course to prepare myself from a professional career in the maritime industry. The importance of the 5 Myers 5 resilience in your program 5 Myers. Resilience is very important in the maritime field because life at sea is full of challenges, uncertainties, and pressures. As a future seafarers, we will face storms, long periods away from family, heavy workloads, and expected situations. Learning resilience helps us to stay mentally strong and adaptable and positive despite and difficulties. It builds our capacity to recover quickly from setback and remain focused on safety, teamwork, and professional duties on board. Now, how this subject will help me fulfill my dream of becoming a successful seafarer. This subject will help me by developing not only my academic knowledge but also my emotional strength and mental toughness. By being resilient, I can manage stress and adjust to different environment, work harmoniously with multinational crew and overcome hardship without giving up.